all the cups like this. One daddy, one butter.
So we do the same for the rest.
Oh.
So now we're done putting our Puto cheese mixture in the mold. Now it's time for Isabella to put the cheese
butter
on the top.
Cheese and butter.
So what you'll do, you put on the top.
Pretty good, right?
Yes. Hello guys, good morning again.
Because we messed
And
up the
happy
video.
Monday to everyone.
And stay safe and no corona.
Yes.
And wear mask and gloves.
Yes. And we're gonna show you
Anyway.
on how we'll make our Puto cheese.
Puto cheese.
So this is with, I'm gonna mix this with, I call it Puto cheese with chocolate chips. Because I'm gonna add the chocolate chips in it. Okay, so now for this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. So we will be using all-purpose flour, 1 cup of this, fresh milk or evaporated milk, whatever you have. But I don't have evaporated milk, so I'm using my fresh milk.
Fresh milk.
So I will have
is
this.
lovely to drink, but we're just gonna use it.
Yeah, so I have here melted butter. You cannot
Melted
really
butter.
see. It's.
Because
I have
it
a melted
looks,
butter here.
because it looks like oil for you, but it's not oil.
Then we will be needing baking powder
Baking powder.
and vanilla essence or vanilla extract are the same thing.
Same thing.
And 1 egg.
And 1 egg.
For
because-
those non-veg, just it's okay not to use egg. And I have here cut pieces, long piece strips of Kraft cheese.
Kraft cheese.
But if you are using the quick melt cheese, then just add the cheese on the top when the Puto cheese is already cooked. Okay, and then I have chocolate chips. This is semi-sweet chocolate chips. I have this. This was just an optional. It was not really needed to mix, but since I have at home, that's why I'm using it.
Yeah.
Before it will get, actually chocolates doesn't expire. So anyway, I just have to use this. I just want to finish it off. And we need the sugar.
And the sugar.
We need the
And
sugar
the sugar.
and
A salt.
dash of salt.
Dash of salt.
of salt.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so now let's get
Get
started.
started.
So we have a bowl here.
So we have a bowl. So I'm gonna put
First, we're gonna put our
powder.
all-purpose flour.
Flour.
Just about, it's a 1 cup.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
Just 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
Baby.
So now next, we need a sugar. Sugar, I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup of sugar. I don't want to put so much of sugar in my Puto cheese. But since I'm putting my chocolate chips, I don't require lots of sugar. So just
I'll do it.
1/4 cup will be sufficient. Okay? Put it. Yeah. And then next to that, we need the
Cup.
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Baking powder.
And now Bella will give a good mix. And just put a dash of salt, just to balance the taste. And mix it well.
Well.
And now this is done. It's time to do our, we have to set aside this. We have to do the other ingredients. First, we have to put our 1 tablespoon of butter, melted butter.
Melted. This
Yes.
is super milk.
And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Banana. That's very hot.
Yes. Can you get me the water, please?
Which butter?
I need water.
Okay.
And we need 1 egg. Just normal water. And milk. 1/4 cup of milk.
Mama, here.
Oh my god.
Mama, just use my water.
Yes.
Look.
1/4 cup of milk.
Look, Mama. Just use my
Yes.
water.
And
Mama's using my
3/4 cup of water.
That's way too much. Way too much.
Okay.
Guys.
And Bella will give a good mix. Good mix. Mix it. And now we have to put our water. Okay, mix well. And then now, slowly we have to pour it here.
Oh my god.
So, Bella, so mix it. Mix it. I'll do it. Mix it. Mix. So Bella will doing it. She is such a good helper for Mama.
Because Mama's not feeling well.
Mm.
Because Mama has tooth pain.
Do it nicely. Actually, I am under medication. Actually, I'm not actually well. I have been in medication now for 4 days.
Should you do it, Mama, right now? Something?
Then do it.
Now-
Mama will give a good mix.
Because that's hard for me. No. I need a spoon.
And now, this is okay.
This
It was been well blended.
well,
It's mixed
blended.
well now. Now we have to transfer this, scoop it, and put here in the mold.
Mold.
So Bella will do it.
I'm not so sure, Mama.
So first, I'll show you that. First, because since I'm putting the chocolate, so
Can you teach me?
yes, this is very difficult.
Can I do it now?
Okay,
For the others?
and now I'm gonna put the chocolate in it.
That's how I do it.
Just have to put few of chocolate chips, and again pour it here.
How can I do it? See, I spread all the cups like this. One buddy, one buddy.
Okay, so we do the same for the rest.
Oh.
So now we're done putting our Puto cheese mixture in the mold. Now it's time for Isabella to put the
Put the
cheese
butter.
on the top.
Cheese and butter.
So what you'll do, you put on the top.
Pretty good, right?
Yes.
Having a relax.
Do it slowly.
Enjoying it like that.
So now it's on put cheese. Now it's time for us to steam our Puto cheese.
Steam.
So now we have to put this one by one in here.
One by one.
I don't have actually a proper steamer, so I'm using what I have. This is actually from the rice cooker.
I help?
So now I have here 4 pieces, first batch.
Who's bad?
So let's just have to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So and now we have to put this here. And cook for 10 minutes. I just put a foil here because I don't have a cloth. So this one is to prevent from the water, steaming water, go to the mixture. Oh, medium flame. And now Let's check now. It was been cooking for past 10 minutes. It's hot. So, yeah, it's cooked. I don't know, guys. My Puto cheese doesn't look white. I don't know why. It's look like this. My Puto cheese doesn't look like white. Some others Puto cheese looks white. Anyway. So now we have to remove this from the mold. So this is my Puto cheese. I don't know why my Puto cheese doesn't look white. It's like brownish, I don't know, like off-white. It's not white. I don't know why. Okay, anyway, so this is how I cook my Puto cheese. It's also nice, tastes nice. Only is that the color is the problem. So as you can see. So this is how it is, my Puto cheese. Anyway, but it's soft. It tastes nice. And normally I serve this for snacks for my daughter. So this is the recipe that I could share it to you today. I see you to my next one. Bye!